What's good, family? It is Friday afternoon, and I told you I was gonna come back and let you guys see how the Gann fan will perform at the end of the week. So Friday is the end of the trading week, so far as for your commodities and your forex, your indexes, things of that nature. And what we had today, man, I know a lot of people are shook who have like retirement accounts and 401ks and stuff like that because the market went down dramatically today. I believe the Dow dropped 900 points and NASDAQ closed 4% for the month. But for people who take advantage of using this, they are happy if they know what to do. Now look, this is the Gann fan, and when I came on, I believe it was Thursday or Wednesday that I put this on, and I want to show. Let me cut this down a little bit. That I want to utilize and show you guys how to use this. This is what happened. So when I put this on, man, it had already come down and price had came off the 1-1 line. Now, first, let me go back and let you know how to utilize this. You can find a point in the market, a high point, and you draw a 45-degree angle. Then you come over here and you find yourself the Gann fan. And when you use the Gann fan, you go to that 45-degree angle and you line this 1-to-1 line right over it. You carry it on down. And as you can see, when price came up to this area, it fell. Boom. Look right here. This was yesterday. It tested it. It came back down. And today, it tested it again. And it fell all the way down like so. We've been following NASDAQ all weekend, and a lot of people made a lot of money by trading it for the sell. Now, when we see this, you can call this a retracement coming up. You know, it's going to come to a certain area that you know that it wants to test off of. But just utilizing a tool like this, it gives you different quadrants where you can kind of have an idea what price is going to go to. So utilizing the Gann fan, we seen here once it came to this line, it would have been the opportune time to get in here for a sell. So it sold. You could have took you some profits here once it started to retrace back up. You're going to take you some profits. You ain't going to just let it come back on you. But once it retested this again, you could put yourself a nice little stop loss right above here and ride this down. And that's what people did, man. And so, like, this is a really cool tool. So depending on how or where it's at, you can have an idea of what price action is going to go to. So now we see that we're definitely in a downtrend from here. So if it comes back up to this line, you might want to see if you want to get back in for more sales. Or if it breaks, like it did here, as an example, when it came down to the 1/2 line, when it broke it, then it came and it tested it and it went up. That's the same scenario you're going to want to use when it happens over here. When price comes above this, it will come down and then you can ride that up. This is the Gann fan. It's a pretty awesome tool. As a matter of fact, what I'm going to do is go to a brand new chart and show you guys how to utilize it because I think it'd be an awesome way for some people to trade off of. So let's use this as an example. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come over here and get me a trend angle. I'm going to come from this point right here. As a matter of fact, I'm going to start right here for y'all. Off of the sell joint. I'm going to make me a 45-degree angle like so. Then I'm going to go find the Gann fan. I'm going to come to this point. And I'm going to draw me a 45. I'm going to trace the 45-degree angle with the 1-to-1 line. So now, as you can see, man, in this down trend that this fell on, look what happened. This is the 1/2. This is the 1/3. Price is just playing off that 1/3. Just playing off that 1/3. Playing off of it. Came down, came up, came down, tested the 1/2, came down, it breached it. Now it's retesting it. So after I just showed you what happened in NASDAQ, what do you think would be a good thing to be looking for right here? It broke out. It came back. It might be a good time to look for silver to buy up a little bit. But we'll see. So what I'll do is Come next week, we'll check back in on this. I'm going to leave it just like this and leave it alone. This is how you use the Gann Fan. It is a pretty awesome little tool that you can use in your trading. I like it. I hope you like it. I'm going to be hitting you with some more other stuff, but if you're interested in learning how to first read the charts, understand how to utilize this, you should really holler at us and come to see if it's something that can work for you. I'm JL. This is the Gann Fan. I hope you liked it.